can you speak in Hindi?
मेरा हिंदी you will find more galat. You will find more mistakes.
Okay, it's fine. We'll be having in conversation in English only because my YouTube channel is basically in Hindi. So I thought that it's fine. It's totally fine. English is also an outstanding language.
No, I can speak a few phrases in Hindi. Okay. I can understand Hindi. You can ask in Hindi. No issues.
Okay. Fine. So I'll do that.
You can ask in Hindi. Okay.
Okay.
I can read and write also in that Hindi.
Okay, fine.
I can read and write also in Hindi.
Okay.
You can ask questions in Hindi also.
Sure.
I'll try to answer in Hindi only. I will try to answer in Hindi.
Okay. So let's get started. So hello everyone. So there is a very special guest. हम लोगों के पास अभी काफी special guest आया हुआ है. And his name is John. He is the founder of Digital Buddy. Am I right? Am I pronouncing it right?
Correct.
Digital Buddy. And he is a trainer also. He trains many people. He have written many books as well, and he trains many people as well. So even when I have seen his story of Digital Buddy and John, so even I have got inspired as well, because he has struggled a lot. If you look at John's story, I will be sharing that that story to you guys also. So John, can you please introduce yourself? आप अपने story मेरे को काफी interesting लगा. आप अगर अपने way of communicate करते मेरे audience को तो काफी अच्छा होता.
Sure. Do you want to share my complete story or any?
Yeah, your complete story, John. Your complete story.
Complete story. Actually, I am from Hyderabad actually.
Okay.
Currently, I am staying near Hyderabad only. My village is near Hyderabad only, 100 kilometers far from Hyderabad, and my even Telugu state's mother tongue is Telugu language only. Okay. I think so. So I'm not good in English actually. I can't speak fluent in English. Hindi समझ होता.
Okay.
समझ.
Yes.
Okay.
मतलब आप समझते हो हिंदी, आप समझ लेते हो हिंदी, but speaking में थोड़ा problem होता है.
Yes. Speaking.
Okay.
I can read and write Hindi. Again, I'm telling.
Okay. Great.
I got 70 marks in Hindi. Okay, in 10th class. Okay.
इसीलिए मैंने बोला काफी इंटरेस्टिंग स्टोरी होने वाला है, इसीलिए मैंने ऑडियंस को बोला काफी आपका इंटरेस्टिंग स्टोरी है, काफी इंटरेस्टिंग स्टोरी है.
Yes. बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग रहता.
Yes.
Story.
हाँ.
Okay, that is what. If you want, I can take. If you want, I can take the one my friend as well. He can also translate in Bengali also if you want.
That's great. Yes. Can you please introduce him also? Great.
Let me ask him. Okay. If he
is
okay.
Sure. Sure. Not an issue.
He's Ankit Dubey from. He's a musician from West Bengal only.
Okay. কাজ করছি বেরো কাজ করছি.
I know one word in West Bengal.
Which one?
I think Suprabhat. I think good morning.
Suprabhat. Yeah, good morning.
I have few friends, but I don't understand that language. Fast.
Which language?
Bengali.
It's not very first words. Actually, वो होता है सभी के साथ होता है. Even if you ask me that do you know Telugu or how do you think about Telugu, I will also say that it's very hard. But Telugu काफी hard है. It's same. मतलब जिसको छोटे से जो सिखाया जाता है, actually he or she is very comfortable in that language only. उसके बाद in time it takes.
I think he is busy. We'll continue.
Okay, it's fine. So you can continue with this story, John.
Okay, Kasi. So I started. I think it's better to show my video better. No, for them in this video itself.
Yeah, video is visible.
No. In editing part, you can show my story, no?
Yes, sure. I'll do that.
Huh?
Yeah,
and that makes.
Okay, your story. Okay, story. Yeah, I can do that as well. Not an issue. I can do that.
You can tell them that. Yeah, we will see his story and then we will ask few questions. and you can continue like that.
Okay.
Let them watch my story and okay.
Yeah, sure.
I think that makes more sense. I think because it has music also, it has more pictures also, not just verbal words, so that they will easily connect and easily understand. They can easily understand.
Okay.
That's
fine.
My point.
Fine. So, जॉन, आपने स्टार्ट कैसा किया था? मतलब व्हाई डिजिटल मार्केटिंग? आपने किस तरह से डिजिटल मार्केटिंग पे आपने सुना? किस तरह से आप इस लाइन पे इस नीश पाया आपने? एंड कैन यू लिटिल बिट टेल अबाउट दिस कि आप डिजिटल मार्केटिंग आपने क्यों चूज किया और क्यों, किस रीजन से आपने चूज किया?
Sure. So before starting digital marketing, I worked as a hardware engineer. Okay. I know computer hardware. I troubleshoot to desktops, printers, laptops as well.
Okay.
So I have strong knowledge on the technical part.
Okay.
Technical knowledge as a technician, as a service engineer, or as a hardware engineer.
Okay.
So, and after working as a hardware engineer, I thought to do MBA actually. So I went to Bangalore, and there I was studying this management studies. So at that time, instead of
MBA. Sorry to interrupt.
Okay. Instead of focusing on our weak points, okay, it's better to focus on our strong areas.
Exactly.
It takes more time to make our weakness into strong point. So it takes very less time to work on our strongest points actually. Okay, that is why I chose digital marketing instead of taking finance or any other supply chain management. So I have to start from scratch those fields if I take those as a career options. So then I thought that why not digital marketing? Let me choose this digital marketing so that I can easily understand actually. So that is why I chose digital marketing, and I focused more on digital marketing from the day one itself from my college.
Okay. So अभी आप इस niche पे क्या क्या कर रहे हो? आप train करते हो students को? You have an YouTube channel also.
Yes.
You have been awarded also, and
yes.
आप आप किताब भी है आपका, right? If I'm not wrong.
Yes. Okay. I wrote one on local SEO.
Okay, local SEO. Great. So that is in regional language. That is in Telugu or it's in English? The book is.
That is in Telugu. Very soon we will be translating it to English as well.
Okay.
It will come in English also.
Okay, that's great.
Maybe you can translate it into Bengali and give it to them as well.
Sure, I can do that as well. Sure. Okay. So John, मैंने एक चीज नोटिस किया है कि कोई भी अगर कुछ स्टार्ट करना चाहता है, if someone तो उसके पास रिसोर्सेस काफी सारे रिसोर्सेस होते हैं. if let's suppose अगर कोई YouTube चैनल स्टार्ट करना चाहता है, so the thing he just need is even if he have a mobile also he can start a YouTube channel. So there is no eligibility criteria so that he can start a YouTube channel. बट मैंने काफी यंग पीढ़ी से मैंने बात किया है, तो मेरे को एक चीज काफी 50 to 60% मेरे को पता चला कि काफी एक्सक्यूज देते हैं वो लोग. मेरे पास ये नहीं है, आई डोंट हैव दैट, आई डोंट हैव अ DSLR कैमरा, आई डोंट हैव दिस वन, सो हाउ आई विल गेट स्टार्टेड. उसके पास ये है, उसके पास ये है. तो ये जो एक्सक्यूजेस होता है, बिकॉज सी इफ यू लुक एट योर स्टोरी, आपने किस तरह से, काफी इंस्पायरिंग है अपने स्टोरी. अब किस तरह से आपको काफी कुछ बोला जाता था, स्टिल नाउ यू आर वेरी सक्सेसफुल इन दिस फील्ड. ओके, सो आपका क्या सजेशन रहेगा यंग पीढ़ी के ऊपर, अगर कोई कुछ स्टार्ट करना चाहता है, अगर कोई एक्सक्यूज दे रहा है कि मेरे पास ये नहीं है, मेरे पास वो नहीं है, तो आपका क्या सजेशन रहेगा यंग पीढ़ी से?
Yeah, I will suggest two things actually. This is the issue in their mindset actually before starting. Okay, they are putting all the negative points just to avoid those things. So instead of those negative points, if they focus on what they have, what they can do with their available resources, if they think like that, if they think in a positive way, they can do that actually. That is one thing. And every YouTuber starts like that only. In the beginning, resources will be very, very limited. I think today everybody has their smartphones. It will have good mic and camera also. You can use daylight also. You don't need lighting equipment also. You can shoot in the morning before 9 o'clock and evening after 4 o'clock also. You can use that light as a natural light also. You can use, and you can start shooting videos and you can publish. But if you if you are willing to do that, and you will find ways to do, not excuses. That is what I feel actually. And many people also, if we suggest, if I also suggest a few people to start YouTube channel, they think that which DSLR camera should I buy, which mic should I buy, and these are all secondary actually. First start, then improve.
Yes,
okay?
Exactly.
That is what I suggest. You may be not good at video editing, you may be zero at video editing in the beginning, but initially you will learn video editing. After starting how to edit, how to put logo, how to put text in the video, you will start learning, and you will one day you will master everything in the video editing, and lighting part, camera part, tripods, all these things, professional live streaming, everything you can learn.
Exactly.
So that is what I suggest. If you want to start, just start.
Just start. Don't think so much. Okay.
And and don't, they should not think so much, and they shouldn't be perfect in the beginning also. Okay. And done beats perfect. I read this quotation in blogging also. Okay. Done beats perfect.
What does that mean? If you can explain
that means if you publish the video, that is better than the perfect video. Publishing perfect video. Perfect video takes so much time actually. In the beginning, it's impossible to produce perfect videos.
Exactly.
That is what I am suggesting.
Exactly.
Don't wait for
perfectness. Yeah. एक्चुअली ये अगर कोई कुछ स्टार्ट कर, अगर सपोज किसी को अगर यूट्यूब चैनल स्टार्ट करना भी है, एंड अगर वो इन टाइम वो ऑटोमेटिकली उसका ग्रोथ, कम्युनिकेशन स्किल ऑटोमेटिकली अच्छा हो जाएगा. बिकॉज आई हैव एक्सपीरियंस द सेम थिंग इन मी. बिकॉज मैंने जब अपना फर्स्ट वीडियो शूट किया था, तो
2 साल के पहले,
यस, करीबन 2-2.5 साल पहले जब मैंने फर्स्ट वीडियो शूट किया था, तो एक 4 मिनट वीडियो मेरे को रिकॉर्ड करने में करीबन हाफ एन आवर या 40 मिनट्स, 1 घंटा लगा था. आई हैव टेकन 20-30 शॉट्स, एंड टू बी वेरी फ्रैंक, एंड राइट नाउ मेरे को कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं होता है. सपोज see, this is almost a live interview I am taking to you. We have a conversation with you. I am having a conversation with you as well. So पहले क्या होता था कि मैं अपना एक्सपीरियंस भी शेयर कर रहा हूँ. So क्या होता था कि काफी हिचकिचाता था मैं. Even I used to get nervous also by to take interview to people और कैमरा के सामने आने में. But जितना टाइम गुजरते गया, मेरे को बस एक चीज जानना था कि मेरे को हार नहीं माननी है. And I will shoot the videos. I will whatever जो भी comment आता है, I will not see anything. I'll just do my work. And मैंने देखा with time कि काफी improvement मैंने किया है. I'm not saying कि I am perfect, but yes, मैंने काफी improvement मैंने भी किया है. And जैसे आपने भी suggest किया कि just start करो, automatically video editing skills भी आपको आ जाएगी, automatically creativity भी आ जाएगा. That is very true as well. So John, जो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन में आपको पूछने वाला वो है कि से डिजिटल मार्केटिंग एक वन टाइप ऑफ ऑप्शन है. सो काफी देयर आर डिफरेंट फील्ड्स एज वेल. एसईओ, फिर यूट्यूब मार्केटिंग हो गया, पेड एड्स हो गया, एडवर्टाइजमेंट हो गया, काफी कुछ है, राइट? सो अगर किसी को कुछ स्टार्ट करना भी है, राइट, किसी को लेट्स सपोज डिजिटल मार्केटिंग नीश पे आना चाहिए, सो व्हाट विल बी योर बेस्ट नीश टू यू विल बी सजेस्टिंग पीपल कि आप इस लाइन पे चूज कर सकते हो, या आप बोलोगे कि एक्सप्लोर करो एंड देन सी व्हिच वन इज फिटिंग फॉर गुड टू योरसेल्फ एंड देन गो टू इन अ पर्टिकुलर फील्ड. आपका क्या सजेशन रहेगा इस पे?
मैं उनको कंटेंट मार्केटिंग सजेस्ट करता हूं. मैं कंटेंट राइटिंग, बिकॉज़ कंटेंट राइटिंग के लिए आपको मोबाइल इज गुड इनफ आई थिंक. ओके, आप व्हाट्सएप में भी लिख सकते हैं कंटेंट. ओके, यस, आप फेसबुक में भी लिख सकते हैं. एंड ब्लॉग्स, मीडियम, ब्लॉगर, wordpress.com, these are free platforms only. You can start with. ओके, शुरू करने को ये प्लेटफॉर्म से, फ्री प्लेटफॉर्म्स, ओके, फ्री प्लेटफॉर्म से शुरू कर सकते हैं बिगिनर्स. ओके, नेक्स्ट दे कैन लर्न बेसिक ग्राफिक डिजाइनिंग स्किल्स थ्रू कैनवा मोबाइल ऐप से भी. ओके, बेसिक ग्राफिक डिजाइनिंग. ओके, ठीक है. And this is content plays major role in digital marketing. So let them learn content marketing and content writing, and then they can eventually work on other skills as well, SEO skills, social media be free aajkal. Okay, so you can post any photos, n number of photos, n number of videos, taking videos, and you can post text content also in I think Facebook and LinkedIn. It allows actually. Okay, YouTube में खाली वीडियोस पोस्ट कर सकते हैं. Instagram में खाली videos और photos share कर सकते हैं.
Yes.
Okay. So slowly they can start improving that. For beginners, I am suggesting them to start with the content writing skills in the free platforms also, or LinkedIn publishing also. They can use LinkedIn also. They can start writing articles.
Okay.
And then they can improve their graphic design skills by Canva mobile app or Canva.com website.
Okay.
Canva tool. And then they can focus on the video editing skills also. Little creating videos and publishing videos. Video editing apps also, there are many mobile apps are there. I am suggesting them InShot mobile app in the beginning.
InShot,
then they can move on to other InShot. And if they have little budget, even if they have teens of rupees also,
okay,
they can buy. They can buy one domain, one hosting also. Hosting domain for 1 year and hosting for 1 month at least. Paperhost is giving 63 rupees per month hosting. Per month you can pay 63 rupees. It is very cheap.
Which one? Which hosting?
And domain also, I am suggesting Paperhost.
Paperhost, okay.
And domain also, I am suggesting them to, if .com, .in extensions may take around 500 rupees, 600 rupees per annum. If they don't have money, they can buy other extensions also, like .online, .xyz. These domains names will cost around 50 rupees, 60 rupees per annum.
Okay. Yeah, so there is variety of options available. अगर किसी को start करना चाहेगा तो किसी से भी start कर सकता है, right? So John, future of digital marketing आप किस तरह से देख रहे हो? Because अगर आज की बात किया जाए तो पहले अगर हम लोग YouTube का बात करें तो पहले इतना ज्यादा कंपटीशन नहीं था. But in India, if I talk particularly about India, after coming Jio आने के बाद the amount of creators has been increased drastically. Okay, so and अगर आप YouTube पे देखोगे या कोई भी फील्ड अगर देखोगे, अगर ब्लॉगिंग भी आप देखते हो तो हर नीश पे कंपटीशन है. इवन इफ यू टॉक अबाउट डिजिटल मार्केटिंग, फूड, ब्लॉगिंग, सब नीश पे मोर और लेस कंपटीशन है. सो अगर किसी को स्टार्ट करना भी है, राइट, किसी को अगर स्टार्ट करना भी है, यूट्यूब का चैनल स्टार्ट करना है या कोई पर्टिकुलर ब्लॉग पे उसको ब्लॉगिंग करना है, तो किस नीश पे उसको जाना चाहिए?
Okay, उनके लिए मैं एक प्रो टिप I am giving for them. Okay.
Yeah. Yes.
So I am suggesting them to narrow down their niche actually. Okay. Instead of focusing on digital marketing. Okay. In digital marketing, focus on Indian market. Focus on regional language. Okay. In that regional language also, if there are many creators, you can pick only one niche, only on SEO. Okay. SEO Bengali, something like that.
Okay.
Are you getting my point?
Yes, I'm getting your point.
I'm suggesting them to go narrow down the niche and focus on that particular niche.
So they can go with the regional language also, right? If someone wants to start.
Yeah, they can go in regional language also. They can go regional language also. I'm suggesting. I took that as an example actually. Narrow down, going narrow. They have to narrow down their niche actually.
Okay. मतलब अगर digital
maybe focusing only on Quora marketing, something like that.
Okay. मतलब
Quora marketing.
अगर किसी को डिजिटल मार्केटिंग पे अगर ब्लॉगिंग करना है तो पर्टिकुलर एक और भी काफी नैरो डाउन करना बोल रहे हो आप कि सपोज सिर्फ एसईओ के बारे में लिखो.
How?
Right.
Let me give few examples, Kasim. Brandon focuses only on SEO.
Yes, Brandon. Yes.
जॉन लूमर बोल के एक ब्लॉगर है, उन फेसबुक एडवांस्ड एड्स पे फोकस करता. ओके. इसीलिए कंपटीशन है, मगर we should not fear to that competition. Let's go and attack the competition. That is what I learned from Digital Deepak also. Attack the competition. You can attack you can attack actually. Do not fear. Be confident on yourself. You need to trust first yourself. And if you start creating content and if you are publishing, okay, you can easily attack them.
Okay.
You can easily attack them because competition is there, but if not everybody is creating content regularly. Creating consistently is very, very difficult for any blogger or any content creator. Exactly. If you can organize your works and if you can publish content consistently, you will win.
Okay, great. Yeah, that is very true, John. Even I have also noticed that as well. That is very true. And और एक चीज मैं भी suggest करने वाला हूँ, from the very beginning start building your tribe also, start building your community also. आपका क्या point of view है जॉन इस पे कि on the very first day अगर कोई tribe या community बनाता है अपना, so that is मतलब वो ठीक रहेगा या what you will suggest?
Community भी we need a when you are starting your blog or a YouTube channel, if for a blog it is growing your email list, for YouTube channel growing your subscribers, okay, that means your fans are increasing, your loyal fans are increasing, so and making means through community you can bring all of them in one place and you can engage with your tribe. Actually, maybe you can start with your WhatsApp group also. WhatsApp group is very limited. You can start with your Telegram channel also. Telegram group also you can start. Or else Facebook group is also. I recommend you to start Facebook group also, because Facebook is bringing completely new features for Facebook group admins actually to collaborate with the brands or to monetize their Facebook groups and other options. I recommend you to build a tribe actually, tribe or community or forum around your niche and start engaging with them. Not just creating and leaving that platform, Facebook group ID. Start publishing content regularly and interact with them. Go live on the Facebook group, something like that.
Exactly.
Yeah, you need to engage with them. If you don't have time to engage with them, then don't create that group itself.
Exactly. That is very true.
And have that proper plan, community plan, and then start building. That is what I recommend.
Okay. So Facebook group and WhatsApp group are the two things you are suggesting, John?
Facebook group and Telegram group I suggest.
Okay.
Telegram if your tribe is very less, if you are just starting, go with WhatsApp also.
Okay. Great. So I hope आप लोगों को काफी insight सीखने को मिला है जॉन से, and काफी कुछ उन्होंने अपना जो experience है उसको share भी किया जॉन. So John, we'll be ending the conversation in within few last one questions, and that is
sure.
Yeah. And that is future the future of digital marketing. How you are seeing the future of digital marketing, John?
Future of digital marketing will be bright only because many technologies are coming, and internet usage is increasing in India, and due to the 4G and Jio, Indian internet users increased actually. On top of that, due to this COVID pandemic also, many businesses went to digital actually. They are doing digitally only. Okay. Complete fitness industry went to online. Okay. Many industries will come actually. Even now e-commerce is booming. Many people are starting e-commerce stores and doing e-commerce only. So you will be finding many opportunities in digital marketing. Okay, not just digital marketing. In digital marketing also there are many roles like SEO, content writer, graphic designer, video editor, content creation team, email marketers. So you will be finding many niches under digital marketing, not just as a digital marketer. So you will find many opportunities in digital marketing in all the niches and all the places also. Maybe they may be looking for the digital marketing content writers in Bengali also. You may get content writing opportunities. Only Bengal people can write those things. They can deliver those things. Exactly. Or maybe that is what you will see that. I mean, even now also, Indian internet users are coming from rural places also, not just metropolitan cities. So to reach them, now also brands are doing running ads in their regional languages only. I think you might have seen Facebook ads in your language also, Bengali.
Yeah, in Bengali, yes. Even I have seen advertisement in TV as well in Bengali.
Exactly. That is what I'm saying. In digital, TV is we are seeing from the beginning also, but I'm talking about the digital.
Yes. I have seen. Yes, you're right.
Exactly. That is what I'm telling you. So opportunities will be plenty. There are many niches in digital marketing. Okay.
Great. John, and one more thing, which is asked by many of my followers as well, and that is, if someone wants to want to start in digital marketing, as you have said, he or she can start in content writing start kar sakta in regional language. There are plenty of options, right?
Yes.
बट जो एक इशू होता है कि काफी मतलब जो बिगिनर्स है, जो फ्रेशर्स है, अगर कोई डिजिटल मार्केटिंग कोर्स करके अगर कोई किसी को जॉब करना होगा या जॉब करना चाहता है, तो काफी जन इस तरह से मिसलीड करता है कि आपको स्टार्टिंग में 50-60 हजार सैलरी मिल जाएगा, 60-70,000 सैलरी मिल जाएगा. So that is true, John, but in my experience, I don't think so. मतलब in general circumstances.
In salaries point of view, are you talking?
Yes, in salaries point of view, I'm talking, John.
Okay. So what's your question, Kasid? Can you repeat again?
Yeah, my question is, मेरा क्वेश्चन ये है कि अगर किसी को डिजिटल मार्केटिंग पे नीश पे जाना है इन फील्ड, इन टर्म्स ऑफ जॉब, अगर किसी को जॉब करना है, लेट्स से इन एनी फील्ड, तो व्हाट ही और सी कैन एक्सपेक्ट, मतलब कितना सैलरी हो सकता है, उसको कितना मिल सकता है स्टार्टिंग में. सपोज ही इज एन बिगिनर, ओके, ही इज एन बिगिनर, ही और सी इज एन बिगिनर, ही हैज जस्ट स्टार्टेड अ कोर्स, ही हैव डन अ कोर्स, ही और सी हैव डन अ कोर्स किया है उन्होंने, एंड उसको वो जाना चाहता है. सो व्हाट शुड बी देयर सैलरी एक्सपेक्टेशन?
So, Kasi, this salary depends on the candidate's educational background, communication skills,
exactly,
and the previous experience also. They consider all those parameters and the location as well. From the location.
Yeah.
Location means I'm talking about the Bangalore, Hyderabad, Mumbai, those kind of locations I'm talking about. Okay, so salary parameter depends on all these things, and so for a fresher, I'm talking about the graduate. Let's say he completed bachelor's education, and he completed digital marketing course in an institute, and he can expect a salary in the beginning from 12,000 to 25,000. Okay, that's I'm giving that range, but and one other good news I can give for all of the freshers is, in digital marketing, starting is very tough actually. Your starting journey is very tough, but once if it started, after starting your journey, it will increase actually. Your salary will increase exponentially when you prove your digital marketing skills at workplace.
Great. Yes, exactly. Even I have also have a conversation with one of my fellow friends. He's an Alok Das. He is in professional only. So मैं सभी को बताना चाहता हूँ, तो उन्होंने भी मेरे को सेम चीज बोला, आपने जॉन जो आपने बोला अभी, कि स्टार्टिंग इज वेरी हार्ड, कि स्टार्टिंग इज वेरी हार्ड इन द सेंस जॉब मिल जाएगा आपको बेंगलोर पे या बट द सैलरी एक्सपेक्टेशन विल मे बी सैलरी एक्सपेक्टेशन उतना हाई नहीं हो सकता, मे बी 12, 13, 14, 15 के करीबन आपको मिल सकता है इफ यू आर फ्रेशर्स. बट उन्होंने भी बोला कि मैंने भी जब स्टार्टिंग किया था तो मैंने फ्री में इंटर्नशिप किया था, एंड आई हैव स्टार्टेड विद 8,000. Today he is getting a good salary, even he can buy iPhone per month after getting experience of 4 to 5 months. So उन्होंने भी सेम चीज बोला, आपने जो बोला, ये मैंने नोटिस, ये मैंने किया आपका बात, और उसने भी बोला था ये बात. So that is the reason I have said it. तो thank you so much John, thank you very much मेरा चैनल पे आने के लिए and sharing a lot of things to the audience as well. Thank you so much John. So guys, I hope I hope आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया होगा. वीडियो पसंद आने से प्लीज लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब जरूर कीजिए. एंड जॉन, वुड यू लाइक टू कंक्लूड एनीथिंग?
To the Kasi, thank you for inviting me for this interview. And
my pleasure, John.
If people want to follow me on LinkedIn or blog, you can start reading my blog also. You can find me on digitaljohn.in. It's an English blog. I write digital marketing articles also. And very soon I am starting publishing video content in English language also, not just in Telugu, because many people are requesting me to start in English also. So I will be publishing in English language also. Just follow me on social media, any one platforms. It can be Instagram, Twitter, or okay. That is what I recommend.
Sure. So मैं जॉन का LinkedIn, Instagram profile and everything I will be sharing in the description below. So कृपया जाके काफी अच्छे से contents लिखते हैं जॉन. I recommend you to go and read that blogs as well. So he has said also that he is going to start in English also. English पे भी start करने वाला है. So कृपया जाइए, subscribe कीजिए, and that's it for today. Thank you John once again for coming to my YouTube channel, and
you're welcome.
Thank you so much John. Thank you so much.
Yeah.